Come with me, please.
नहीं नहीं क्या कर दिया फोन को तुमने ऑन ही नहीं हो रहा था ग्रैनी को अभी दिन नहीं करती
Boundary in there over Ravana to 45-5. 5 wickets have fallen in the innings. Sean, how would you assess the bowling team?
I thought they were going to try for the new ball in particular. I thought they got into some good areas. But then once Pakistan started to dominate, I thought the bowling had kind of lost its flame. As Ash was touching on, a couple of short pitch deliveries that comfortably cleared the batters and the lines were good. And I thought it was really hard to get it in the middle bar from Fontaine. I thought he was fantastic with his 10 overs, picking up these 2 wickets. And I think it's going to be a key performance at the back end here. They need to keep them under 300, I would think.
Fontaine is done. Don't forget, this is a shorter game, 7 overs, so not everybody is going to be bowling their full 10 overs, but Fontaine is one of the 2 that can bowl full 10. So 256 for him today. He's 6 dot balls as well. Did that?
Ah.
11 African subsets. Properly disappears. There's one here. Johannesburg. About 10 to 7, just before 7 in the summer. Good to see blue skies as well.
Blue skies, again, big day. Put them all together and they have a fantastic outing for any family that comes to the game. Into the attack, I think the last couple of overs. What we see was